Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my new favorite series, unboxing everything I bought. You're in luck. I shopped a lot in February too. Okay guys, here we go. Best thing ever. Wait till you guys see this. You're gonna scream. ASMR here. Listen. That's my favorite sound. Okay, can't wait anymore. These are the completely sold out Louboutin ballerina slippers. These are like the most beautiful shoes I've ever seen. I feel like I need to whisper when I'm near them, but you can see they're made to look exactly like a real point ballet shoe. They're this gorgeous nude silk. Lace them up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. These are just everything. I know I say this about all of my shoes, but these truly are some of my favorites now. Wow. I love shoes that are art collectible shoes, and these are absolutely a collectible. Like, oh my God, goodbye. That's just the best thing I've ever seen. Wow. Okay, guys. So we'll move along to something a little bit. Wow, I don't even know. I'm sorry, guys. This is just gonna make me aghast. This is not filtered at all. Look at this fabric. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Wow, I could look at this all day. But anyways, we're giving a little Marilyn Monroe vibes in this next thing that I bought. You may recognize this from my Instagram story in Vegas, but this dress is gorgeous. Okay guys, we're gonna weirdly go in my bathroom because this is the only place I can show with the flash in the dark how beautiful this is, but oh my God. Look at that sparkly booty. Woohoo! Oh, it's so sparkly. I love it. This is just gonna be the most beautiful vlog ever. Wow, sickening. Okay, but anyways, I also got this gorgeous little dress. Wow. Again, you saw me pick this up from the cleaners the other day in my vlog, but this is actually also from Meshki. A little gold tweed dress here. You can see the front. If I flip it over, you got the back here. Wow, wow, wow. Like, oh my gosh, this is such a little Barbie dress. You can see it on. The gold tweed, very Chanel. You know, like a little trophy. Mind you, you can kind of see based on the silhouette on the model. This dress I had custom altered to fit me. Like you can see I made this shorter and tighter, so it kind of has more of an A-line effect. It's just more flattering and more fabulous. What do you think, guys? Amber by Meshki Part 2? Or honestly, I've been wanting to start my own fashion brand forever, so stay tuned, guys. I am working on it. Wow, guys, look at this. This came all the way from Romania. Isn't that crazy? I didn't even realize I ordered anything from Romania, but this is cool. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this book? Side note, in the background, you guys want a good laugh? This is what's happening. George is living his best life with Henry, who just brought up this package for me.
You're welcome, by the way.
Thank you. You just have the best damn life. You so lucky. Anyways, Almanac de Muses, which obviously, translation, Almanac of Muses. Just gorgeous illustrations. Look at this. The grandeur of God and the marvels of nature, I think, is what this means, first verse. It's gonna be so beautiful in the library. And of course, if you give a moose a muffin, I'm insane. So I also bought another Almanac de Muses. But look at this, guys. 1775 is when this is from. My favorite things about opening books like this is they usually have little handwritten notes from someone. Just fantastic. Wow, this is so beautiful. So by the way, funny story, I actually thought when I bought this book I was buying a whole set. No, turns out I only bought one. So I ended up paying like $150 for this one book. A little lesson to read the description when you're shopping online. That being said, it was in French, so I couldn't read it. Not really my fault. Happens to me sometimes, but it's okay. I still love the book. It's beautiful. Look at this book. Sacred and legendary art. Is this not so gorgeous? I don't even know what to do about this book. Look at this. 1893 for the Lord's Commissioner. I don't know what that means, but that's cool. But look at this. Look. Wow. Unbelievable. And again, I couldn't decide which version to get. So I also got this one because look at this. This one's a little different. It's got flowers on it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And this one has the gold gilt pages. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Yes, I did buy 4 new books this month, 2 of which were exactly the same books. Sometimes when I can't decide, I do just buy them both. I got all these books in Paris a while ago, but oh, look at that. Just gorgeous. We'll put this one over here so they're not like all the same book in the same spot, but you guys have no idea how long it takes to fill up these shelves. I've been trying to do it for years. It just, you know, what am I supposed to do when every book barely takes up like half an inch? It's very difficult. Someday I'm gonna get it all done, but you know, when will that be? I don't know. One of these days I'll finish it, but that could be in 2029, who knows? But that's okay, it's fun. It means more shopping. So, what else did we get? This might be what I'm most excited about from the entire video. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but this is a brand called, actually don't even know how to pronounce this, Wiederhoft, I'm assuming. This is my favorite corset brand in the world. I dream of this. If I had unlimited money, this is what I would be wearing all the time. Ooh! Wow, like it is just unbelievable, but you can also see the prices. These are not cheap. Do you guys see the tag on that? Look at that. This is a $2,000 pink corset, you guys. But guess what? I got this baby on the real, woohoo, brand new with tags. Oh my gosh, a baby pink fully lined steel boned corset, even has like pads in it and everything. I mean, this is like couture, you guys. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited about this. Wait till you see it on. Like, this is so beautiful. Oh, look at this corset, you guys. Look at the detailing, not my random sweatpants, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Makes my boobs look great. So snatched, so princess core. Looks incredible with these random sweatpants that I'm wearing. This will be a fit, I promise. Aren't you guys just having the best time? Okay, so this is really exciting. Look at this. Unbelievable. Do you guys recognize it? You can see if I take it out of the plastic there, but these are hand painted sketches of all the 333 designs. I have a wonderful artist in the UK paint them for me, but oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that just the coolest thing ever? The whole Instagram is actually just these, but you can see it's just really cool because it kind of shows like the old school style of jewelry design, you know, like how it gets thought of and sketched out. It's just beautiful. I love art, so I think it's just really neat. So we got the grand tennis bracelet. We also got the grand tennis necklace. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. The regular tennis bracelet got his little portrait done, and the sapphire earrings. Oh my God, look at the detail. Incredible. Oh my God, this is just unbelievable. But this is the grand tennis bracelet all drawn up. Oh, this is just so stinking cool. The sapphire earrings. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. The tennis bracelet. Look. This is just sickening. It's too beautiful. Wow. Look at that. This is just the coolest thing in the world. I love, love, love these. I actually got the idea to do this from Harry Winston, but isn't that cool? God, I love these. I really want to get them all framed and like put them up in the office someday. I just haven't gone around to doing that yet. So P.S. since I'm the boss and feeling friendly today for no reason at all, here's 10 bucks off whatever you want. If you guys want to shop any 333, enjoy. No, I'm just here to spread the love and joy of shopping online. A fairy shop mother. That is what I should really call myself. Okay, so this was a fun surprise. I randomly am a member of the Met. They send me gifts in the mail sometimes, so they sent me this cute little tote bag. Fun. What do we get, Keith? What is it, Keith? What is it?
It's fragile.
Oh, it's fragile. Oh, exciting, George. Hi, Keith.
Hi, how are you, Amber?
Hi, Keith. Oh, it's so good to see you. What are you bringing me today?
I have a package for you.
Oh.
It is fragile.
Oh, I'm excited. Let's see. George, can you relax? Let's see. Thank you. Bye. See you later.
Good to see you, everyone.
George,
Bye,
come
George.
on.
I gotta go.
George Biscuit. You love Keith. I know. Come inside, George. George Biscuit. Come here. Oh my God. George Biscuit, if you do not come here. Come here, George.
See you later.
All right, let's see, what's fragile? Oh, yay! Okay guys, all three of these are the same thing, but this is one of my favorite candles ever. This is the rose ganache candle. I used to literally go around to like 50 different home goods looking for these stinking candles until I realized you can get them online. Don't get me wrong, I love wandering the halls of TJ Maxx as like a hobby, but when you're looking for something specific, I can't believe now I can just order it online. Very slay. So yeah, I love these. I always have one burning around the house. All right, guys, talk about something random. I have wanted this candle for years. This is a $140 candle. This is not something I would usually purchase. I decided to splurge because I was single on Valentine's Day and was lonely. I ordered a lot of this stuff on Valentine's Day, not gonna lie, but oh, oof, it smells amazing. It's a very sweet smelling candle. It smells like a macaroon. You know, get you a girl who can do both. Range. From the Beverly Hills Hotel. You guys saw me get this in my vlog, which by the way, thank you so much for all the nice sentiments on the vlog. That really was like, that was just really special that you guys actually cared about my real life. So I'll try to do more vlogs. If I'm gonna do a monthly shopping video, maybe I'll do a monthly vlog too. Would you want that? I don't know, let me know. But anyways, what's in the bag?
Do you want to show everyone this? You love this. I know, you do.
Anyways, this is the towel you guys saw me buy at the Beverly Hills Hotel.
Hello. Yes, I know. George, you're going to sit right in the middle of this. I'm trying to show this. George Biscuit, you little camera ham.
Okay, so anyways, you can see this says the Beverly Hills Hotel.
This is just super cute little towel. Real pretty towel. Excuse me. George Biscuit, what is the matter with you? George, get off mommy's towel.
Again, why I have nails, check this. Ridiculous. Okay. Ooh, this is, oh, this is nice, a cute little note. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, yay. These are just like little Dior bath pearls, so I thought those would be cute in my tub. I take baths all the time, so that'll be fun. All right. From Sephora, I got a couple of new things. Obviously, same thing I always get, my signature black liner from Too Faced. I love the Rare Beauty highlighter. Selena really slapped with this. This is so sparkly, look at this. Woohoo! I get the color Exhilarate. I love this highlighter, so does George. Oh my gosh, guys, yay! This is so exciting. Look at this huge box. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love Agent Provocateur. This is so exciting. Oh, yay. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited for these. So cute. Okay, so in hilarious news, what I got is 4 pairs of sweatpants instead of lingerie. I decided this is gonna be my uniform of sweatpants, mostly because these were on super clearance. So you can see they're nice and fancy little sweatpants. Matches the box, I thought that was fun, but yeah. So cute, look at that. Oh yes, that's hot. George, what are you doing in the background here? You want me to play with you? I love you. Okay. Zoomies. Oh, you're playing dirty, you're hiding. Anyways, so I got these in every color. Also got black, white, and glittery pink. All right, just got some more packages delivered in the mail, so we will open these. This is from Poshmark, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, eBay. Oh, slay, more sweatpants, that's funny. So, oh yeah, hot. You guys know I already have so much Harvard stuff, so I thought I would expand my horizons and also get into Yale. Ha ha ha, ha ha. Got another fabulous dog walking hoodie. And once you have a Yale sweatshirt, you should expand your horizons to hats too. So I got a Yale hat and another Yale hat, but this one's extra funny because it says Yale alumni, honestly, just because that's hilarious. And I get to have fun in the hat without having to actually do any work. Slay. Go Bulldogs! I'm literally the queen of repping colleges I didn't attend. Oh! Guys, something else! Yes, I literally get packages ding-donging all day long. Ooh, this is exciting! I think I know what this is. Ooh, dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! I got these beautiful plates. Look at these, you guys. Look at this.
Tiffany & Co. gold plates. So beautiful. And if you're like Amber, you already showed these in a haul because you already bought them. Guess what, guys? Yes, that's right. I did already buy a bunch of these. However, these are ever so slightly different. So now I have these 6 and these 2, so I have 8. So I can totally have a dinner party. Long lost brothers reunited at last. Beautiful. All right, guys, this doesn't look like much. However, this is life-changing. Obviously not so much this. This is just a regular tanning mitt, which I use self-tanner, as you know. This thing is the game changer of the century. Best thing ever. I tried so hard to show this in a way that like wasn't weird. It's like next to impossible, but basically you just kind of do this little shimmy dance and then your whole back stays tan. My back used to literally just be like white all the time. I just never showed it on camera, and so that's why you guys don't notice, but now it's perfectly golden bronze. Not to mention Amazon $5. Slay. George really loves this towel, my God. George, you really love this towel. Why? You know, this is why I don't buy you a bed. I've bought him so many expensive beds in the past and he'd rather sit on my towel. Anyways, back to the haul. Okay, some more random change your life bullshit. Guys, first of all, how stinking cute is this? I really like stuff that's small, but this is just a little portable hairbrush to keep in your purse, and this is the folding version. Perfect to fit in your purse. Even the smallest of purses, they still fit. Lord knows my extensions get pretty tangly. Fresh as ever. Life-changing products, I'm telling you. Recently become obsessed with ordering cheap shit from Forever 21, mostly because I like to spend money where it matters and not on things that it doesn't matter. So a little white tank top, I want the $7 one. Love a good little croppy white tank top. I'm not even wearing the nipple bra today, guys. This is just, it's really cold in my house today. Gonna get demonetized. Anyways, cute little croppy white tank. For $6 a pop, you really can't beat it. Okay guys, I did not buy these in February. In fact, I bought these like 5 years ago, possibly more. However, I wore these in an Instagram story the other day and got so many damn questions about them. It's unbelievable. So just really cheap, stretchy, low-rise jeans. I got them in both colors. They are $25 from Amazon. I got them years and years ago, and I love them. Now you know. You're welcome. As I said many moons ago, Fergalicious. So there you have it, you guys. That's everything I bought in February. Thanks for watching. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe for everything I bought in March. And April and June and July. Ooh, it's gonna be a great year, you guys. I love you. Kisses till next time. Happy shopping. XO. Guys, I literally just finished editing this video and another package came. I'll save this for the March video.